defeat the corrupt squad. Zarapinda mashoko by Lin M wauya achinyatsokusvuura zvigananda pamwechete nevakomana vari kumatop positions nemuCIO achivati ndo magodfathers ecorruption munyika yeZimbabwe. Zarapinda mashoko amudanyogwa panguva ino naLin M Zvizere. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda apa indo yakamudanyira achiti Zimbabwe Central Intelligence Organization CIO is breeding ground for corruption and nepotism. The General Overseer of Corruption is Dr. Martin Rushwaya, was currently shielding the corruption involving a 6.8 million US building project loan from National Social Security Authority NASA under the senior operative Linus Mapfumo, who is Dr. Rushwaya's nephew. Dr. Martin Rushwaya's influence has been pivotal in maintaining Mapfumo's untouchable status within the intelligence community. Similarly, Rushwaya has shielded former CIO Director General Isaac Moyo from multiple corruption investigations, indicating a network of corruption and nepotism. As if that was not enough, he is the shield of Moses Gananda like Anna Wicknell, etc. The scandal is emblematic of broader systematic issues in Zimbabwe, where political connections protect corrupt officials and payoffs undermine institutional integrity. The NASA, responsible for worker pensions, has become a playground for common criminals. It has been victimized as funds are misappropriated for private gain over and over again. ZAC investigations always die a natural death in the hands of the powerful figures who stand in the shadows of the corridors of power. Plans are underway to promote Linus Mapfumo instead of firing him. He will be sent to an embassy, Konokula Town, where we are going. Where are we going as a nation? Ndomashwara mudanyogwa panguva ino naLin M. Pinda comment section medu muzama mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.